Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we are from Group 5 will present our topic discussion entitled Challenges in Managing Apple Incorporated with Rapidly Changing Technology Development. Before we go through about our topic discussion, let me introduce you guys our group members. The first one is Muhammad Salam Hasif bin Rozanizam, Fitri Johan bin Sharul Mazli, Maximilian Thomas, Haslina binti Tamrin, Juliana binti Talib.
Hi, my name is Maximilian. Today, let's together embark on a story of resilience, innovation, and a relentless pursuit by a most known company in the world, which is Apple Incorporation. This is the tale of how a small startup from Cupertino, California grew to become a global tech titan. In the late 70s, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne gave birth to Apple in a humble garage. Their first creation, the Apple I, was a personal computer kit. But it was the Apple II, launched in 1977, that truly put Apple on the map. Fast forward to the 80s, and Apple was already disrupting norms. The Macintosh, launched in 1984, was the first mass-market personal computer featuring a graphical user interface and a mouse, a true game-changer. The 90s brought a period of struggle, but also the return of Steve Jobs to Apple. His return marked the beginning of Apple's golden era. The iMac, the iPod, the iPhone, and iPad, all products of this era, revolutionized not just Apple, but the entire tech industry. The iPhone was introduced in 2007, redefined what a phone could do. It was just not a communication device, but a gateway to a universe of apps, music, and the internet. The MacBook, launched the same year, reasserted Apple dominance in the personal computer market. The iPad in 2010 was another triumph, merging the power of a laptop with the portability of a phone. And Apple continued to innovate with the Apple Watch in 2014 and the HomePod in 2017. In 50 years, Apple has transformed from a garage startup to a global behemoth, and this is one of their headquarters. How amazing it is of this company shaping the way we communicate, work, and play. From the Apple II to the iPhones, each product has been a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and design. In summary, Apple's journey is a testament to the power of innovation and vision. It's a story of how two friends started with a dream in a garage and ended up changing the world. So Apple didn't just create a product, it created a lifestyle, culture, and a legacy that continues to shape the future of a technology.
This diagram shows organization chart for Apple company. Hi, I'm Muhammad Salam Hasif bin Rozanizam. We'll talk about positive and negative impact on technological implementation, changes, or development. Managing Apple in an era of fast-changing technology presents many challenges, particularly in the technological implementation, changes, or development, which can have both positive and negative impacts on the company. The positive impact for planning side. The first one is innovation and product development. Apple has consistently leveraged technological advancements to create innovative products like the iPhone, iPad, and Mac. Continuous technological development allows Apple to enhance existing products, introduce new ones, and keep maintaining a competitive edge in the market. Second, strategic planning and product development. Apple based its future product strategy on innovations in technology. They can design and produce goods that are in line with changing technology landscapes because they can predict customer trends and demands through research and development. The third one for positive impact is enhance user experience. Customer experience is Apple's top priority when it comes to technology. Upgrades to user interfaces, software, and hardware that have been carefully studied may boost consumer satisfaction and brand loyalty by offering a simple and easy-to-use user experience. We move on to negative impact for planning sites. The first one is rapid technological out of the date. Technology is advancing quickly, which can make planning difficult for Apple. Long-term product strategies are affected by the relatively rapid obsolescence of products, which requires continuous planning and modification to stay ahead in the market. They always must create something new features to make sure they are still valid in the market and follow the technology changes. Second is supply chain vulnerabilities. Apple needs more raw materials if they get a lot of demand for their products. Every product that they own will need more components. It will cause planning to be more difficult and increase the risk of delays or production problems when supply chain interruptions happen. The components in their products are very detailed and complicated, such as motherboard, camera quality must be better than latest version, screen like OLED, to increase excels in picture quality and flexibility. Last but not least, for negative impact for planning sites, number 3 is increased complexity and development costs. To do improvement and follow the feedback from customers to make better products, Apple needs to do research and development, R&D. More cost they must spend until they find the best ways to create something new. As the conclusion, Apple company always do planning to be more better and to make sure they're still valid in the market. They also make customers as their priority. Besides, Apple want to educate the people about their company and its products. They bring out their products for customers, and now they have their own community. But Apple company must remember about the other technology company like Samsung, Huawei, Oppo, and more are moving forward with their own features and with affordable prices. So with R&D, they must bring out the best products for the market. For recommendation, Apple need to do more proper planning for their products. For example, they need to brainstorm more ideas for their product design. They must take feedback from the customers and make improvement. Then find out their weaknesses and solve them with the best ways. We know that Apple's products are too expensive, but it must come with great quality and more features followed by current trends.
Organizing is the process of combining all the organization, resource and establishing productive relations among them to efficiently and effectively achieve predetermined objective. It organizes 4 M's, including money, materials, machines, and manpower, and drives them to contribute their collective efforts to achieve a single goal. Positive impact, strategy, marketing, and product launch. Apple's strategy approach to marketing and product launch is well organized. High-profile events, careful product placement, and control information release create anticipation and excitement around a new product. For example, the company's strategy often involves a combination of product differentiation, ecosystem integration, and control product release to maintain a competitive edge in market. Negative impact, ecosystem integration. Apple products are designed to work seamlessly within the Apple ecosystem. The integration of hardware, software, and services required additional engineering efforts, contributing to higher development costs. This will increase the price of an iPhone. For example, the price of an iPhone on the market is quite expensive compared to other competitive flagship devices. Basically, these iPhones are generally priced higher than many other smartphones, positioning them as premium products. The higher price can create the perception of exclusive and luxury, as not everyone can afford them. Conclusion: Apple's main purpose is to create products that enrich people's daily lives. That involves not only developing entirely new product categories such as the iPhone and the Apple Watch, but also continually innovating within those categories. Perhaps no product feature better reflects Apple's commitment to continuous innovation than the iPhone camera. To create such innovations, Apple relies on the structure that centers on functional expertise. Its fundamental belief is that those with the most expertise and experience in the domain should have decision rights for that domain. Recommendation: Apple is the best when it comes to understanding customers. Apple organizes sales and marketing by customer, not product. For example, salesperson work on teams that focus on different type of customers. The benefit of this approach is that it assures the salesperson really understand the customer and can offer solutions from across the Apple portfolio to best meet the customer needs.
Managing Apple Inc. in the face of rapidly changing technology development presents both positive and negative impacts in terms of leading. Apple Inc.'s leadership in innovation and market dominance serves as an example of the positive impact that the company's technology implementation changes or adjustments have made. Apple's functional organization and emphasis on expertise have allowed the company to maintain a leadership position in innovation, enabling it to introduce groundbreaking products and technologies. For example, Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple Inc., manages the business well despite the fast-paced evolution of technology. Cook's influence may be seen in Apple's constant innovation in devices such as the iPhone series and Apple Watch. He also focuses on managing groups, teams, and employees, coordinating their efforts to accomplish organizational objectives of market leadership and innovation in the ever-changing tech sector. However, leading a big company in this new era of rapidly changing technology development can also have negative impacts, particularly in the form of competitive challenges. There is a never-ending competition for invention as rivals frequently step up their efforts to overtake the leader. This competitive pressure may accelerate technological progress, requiring Apple to invest and adapt continuously to maintain its market dominance. For instance, Apple's ongoing competition with rivals such as Samsung and Google highlights the competitive challenges in the tech industry. These companies are constantly competing to outperform one another in terms of innovation, product offerings, and market share. In a nutshell, leading Apple through fast technological changes requires an excellent balance. While Apple's creative leadership under Tim Cook has resulted in groundbreaking products, ongoing competition from rivals such as Samsung and Google create difficulties. To maintain Apple's market dominance, it is necessary to invest continuously and adapt to changing conditions. To maintain a leading position in the competitive tech industry and adapt to changes, Apple must continue to innovate its product through design thinking. With changing consumer preferences and technology, Apple must adapt to new demands, therefore they must continue to innovate and apply design thinking to everything they make. Next, Apple needs to invest in both financial and human research and development R&D. By investing in R&D, Apple can encourage innovation, develop new technologies, and improve current products. This strategic investment enables the company to sustain its competitive advantage by constantly offering new and upgraded services to its customers.
Controlling refers to the key functions of management as the process of ensuring that organizational activities are achieving their goals and objectives. Controlling involves the setting performance standards, measure performance, comparing performance, analyzing variances, and then taking corrective action. The positive impact of technological implementation, changes, and development is technological innovation. Apple's management under figures like Steve Jobs guided technological innovations by setting a vision, focusing on design, and ensuring user-friendly experiences. Success was measured against set standards, and the corrective actions were taken to align with organizational goals. Apple has employed various corrective actions to maintain high standards in its products. This includes quality control processes, addressing issues through software, updates, recalls, or replacement when necessary. The company also values customers' feedback, using it to identify and fix issues promptly. Apple ensures high standards in both hardware and software, promptly addressing any issues to maintain its reputation for quality and also innovation. The negative impact of technological implementation, changes, and development is Apple products with the highest prices. We know that Apple products are at a premium price with the highest cost of Apple devices. This will be difficult to set the performance standards of Apple company because some consumers are limiting access to the latest technology of Apple products if continue with the high price. This pricing strategy contributes to a digital divide where only those with a higher income will be affordable with the latest innovation of any Apple product. It will ruin the controlling process in comparing the performance of Apple company. So in conclusion, the task of manager is to evaluate how well an organization has achieved its goals and to take any corrective actions needed to maintain or improve performances. For example, managers monitor the performances of individuals, departments, and the organization as a whole to see whether they are meeting desired performance standards. Apple company must be able to control their performance to make sure all the management process well, such as planning, organizing, and leading aspects. Apple company should be prepared with the possibility to provide more costs in the provision of advanced technology to develop the next product in the future facing the world's technological progress. Apple is a well-known household name today and most all households own at least one Apple device. In 2013, Apple CEO Tim Cook told Bloomberg Businessweek, "We never had an objective to sell a low-cost phone. Our primary objective is to sell a great phone and provide a great experience, and we figured out a way to do it at a lower cost." Apple company must provide the lowest price for any Apple product to make sure their performances of standards become more successful. Apple has traditionally positioned itself as a premium brand with a focus on quality and also innovation. But Apple company can continuously work on improving manufacturing processes, supply chain efficiency, and cost management to reduce their production costs of any Apple product. This could help Apple to offer the lowest price of their products but still maintain their quality product.